Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix eye tracking feature not working on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing any kind of issue with your eye tracking feature, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to update your software. So go to your settings app and here go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find this try to update your software, after updating software, just simply go back. And you can also try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix manually. Just not do this. Just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, just wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to clear your front or in-depth camera, and after that you can go to your screen time settings, go to content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have done this, simply go back and your issue might have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you just go to your general section, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset and tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings. Run the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. So if there will be any issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixed in this app and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.